Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Terumot Peragima Mishna He. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to speak about someone who has a few piles. Let's say he has 10 piles of wheat, and he's going to say, "Oh, the Teruma of this wheat, right, of this pile is within it." So he points to one of these piles and he says, "The Teruma of this pile is within it." Now, what does he do? He's in essence saying that all the Teruma is in this pile itself. It's not in the other 9. Right? So potentially he may be able to eat up from the other 9, right? But also when he comes to separate the teruma that he just designated, he would potentially have to separate it from this one pile that he spoke about. So that's going to be the discussion of our Mishnah. If someone says the teruma of this pile is within it, Uma'sirotav letocho, and its ma'asirot are in it. Utrumat ma'asir zeh letocho, and the trumat ma'asir of it is in it. Rabbi Shimon Omer, Karashem. Rabbi Shimon says it counts. He called it a name. He designated the teruma, and now, right? If a person when he's going to actually give the teruma, he's going to have to pull it from this pile because it worked. What he said worked. Hachamim omrim, it doesn't count. Ad shiomar bitzvono o bidromo. It doesn't count unless you actually specify where it is. The teruma is going to be in the northern part of this pile. Now you could actually, now that you designated it, you know exactly where it is. It's on the northern part of this pile. I can point out exactly where the teruma is, as opposed to what Rabbi Shimon allowed. That was very arbitrary within the pile. You could be from anywhere. You can't even point to where it is. Chamim say, once he says it's or it's in the north or in the south, that would count. Right? Even if you say the teruma of this keri, right, is within it, right? That's all you said, right? So the teruma of this pile, is from within it. That's enough, right? According to Rabbi Elazar Hisma. Right, so he's just saying the teruma, right? That's all he's saying, right? That's enough according to Rabbi Elazar Hisma. Rabbi Eliezer ben Yaakov Omer Isur Maaser Ze Asui Trumat Maaser Alav Karashem. Right, Rabbi Eliezer ben Yaakov even says even if a person goes and he says the Trumat Maaser is going to be from this Maaser, right? That's also enough. So. Right. Interestingly enough, right, he just keeps getting more lenient and more lenient throughout the end of the Mishnah after the opinion of Chachamim. But as we said, halacha is like Chachamim alone. That you need to actually designate and specify where it's coming from. Is it coming from the north, or is it coming from the south? And only then does it count as a full-fledged designation.